Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix Honda CRV air conditioning. First, locate your cabin air filter, usually behind the glove box, and check if it's dirty or clogged. A restricted filter significantly reduces airflow. Next, turn on your AC and observe the compressor clutch. It should engage and spin. If it doesn't, there might be an electrical issue or low refrigerant. Finally, ensure your refrigerant levels are correct, as low refrigerant is a common cause of poor cooling. When your Honda CRV's AC isn't working, listen for any unusual sounds like hissing or grinding, which could indicate a leak or a failing component. Visually inspect the condenser, located in front of the radiator, for any leaves, bugs, or bent fins that might obstruct airflow. Also, check your blower motor by adjusting the fan speed. If it only works on certain settings or not at all, it might need replacement or a new resistor. For more advanced troubleshooting, use a manifold gauge set to accurately measure your AC system's high and low side pressures. These readings help diagnose issues like overcharging or blockages. Always check the AC relay and relevant fuses in your fuse box. A simple blown fuse can prevent the system from engaging. If you suspect a leak but can't find it, a professional service can use dye or a sniffer tool for precise detection. To maintain your Honda CRV's AC, consider recharging the system with the appropriate refrigerant, typically R134A, if levels are low. Regular cleaning of the condenser and evaporator coils helps ensure maximum efficiency and prevents future issues. Keeping these components free of dirt and debris is crucial for optimal performance. Also, for an amazing audio experience and smart home control, check out the Echo Dot smart speaker. You can find a link to this and other great deals in the description below. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.